This module shows how you can change default settings used throughout the app and how to view the current system information. On the portal screen, tap the three dots at the top right. The options menu will appear. Tap the first option setting. The settings screen gives you the power to control standard defaults, including Bible version, languages, and notification times. You can also edit your name. Changes are automatically saved when you leave this screen. To change the default Bible version, tap the first control. A panel will open listing all available Bible versions. Tap on one to make it your default. Tap the second control to open the language panel. Choose one or more languages from this list that you can study in. Then tap OK to close the panel. This feature is used to identify suitable resources and study guides. Tap these two controls to change your first or last name. Edit will be saved in the app from now on. Tap the down arrow to hide the keyboard again. Please note, if you do change these details, contact Learn Global Support or your support team to inform them. The app sends several notifications to remind users to sync and encourage them to study. You can change the default notification times here by tapping on the control and entering a new time. Tap the down arrow to hide the virtual keyboard. You can view information about the app and your device and current license by opening the About App screen. On the portal, tap the three dots at the top right. The options menu will appear. Tap on About App. This screen highlights app and system information, including version numbers, date you last synced, the device serial number, etc. Swipe down to view the full list of details. Please refer to this information when requested by technical support. Scroll to the bottom and tap to view the app privacy policy and terms and conditions. You can also delete all or some of the data using the red buttons. However, do not touch these unless requested by Learn Support. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.